Hi there, hope you're doing good. This is Sajid. Here I'm with the demo. So the Excel sheet was shared and the requirement was to create a drop-down from the load rings tab on all of the 10 tabs from CBR1 to CBR10 on row on J7. I have created this drop-down in such a way that if you will be making any changes in the load rings, if you will add more entries to at the bottom, those will automatically get reflected on the drop-down like this. You can see 2 to 2. Let me add another maybe 333 and you will be seeing the drop down get updated for that loading, and obviously subsequent entries will also be get updated. So if I'll make like this, so you'll see I have another 444, and whatever the selection you will make in here, these two values will automatically get pulled from the loading table directly, not from these values on the right side. So this is done, and then the second thing was, and this is done for all of the tabs. Now the second option, second requirement, along with the subsequent formulas on for the load ring range and load ring constant. These are also being pulled automatically. Let me make the change and you'll see these will get changed automatically as well. So this is all done. The first step, now the second step, to flick between the tabs. Yep, I have created some columns in here which are hidden. You don't need to see that. So, and here I have given a drop down with all the tab names. So whatever the tab name you will select in here, let me know where you need this column, you need this cell within this range or maybe outside. So once you'll be selecting the CBR2, you'll see the chart got updated with the values from that particular tab. Currently you have only two entries, two tabs, so you will see this here. And then this third one was to get the maximum value for the CBR value from that tab, whatever the tab is selected from D51 and F51. So you'll see this one here. Currently it's 2.6, and on CBR1, you'll see, yeah, we have the maximum value of 2.6 against 2.0, and for the CBR2, it's showing 2.3, and here you will see 2.3 against 2.1, so the maximum value will be 2.3. So this is all done, and the only thing remaining here is that this selection from the tab. So yeah, please let me know where you want to place this one, and this is all ready to go. Please let me know your review on this one, and looking forward to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye.